So it is last couple hours on Fitzroy Island. Yes, woke up, had breakfast, didn't bother go snorkeling this morning because I woke up late. But that's alright, just had a chilled morning, packed up. Now kind of waiting just for the ferry back to the island, or not the island, to Australia, mainland. Yeah, then I've got to go and pick up the car and check in. Just walking up to the secret gardens here. It's like a 20-minute walk up and then back down again, so just killing some time here. But this is a much easier walk than any of the others, which is good for the last day because I don't want to do anything too crazy now. There we go, that's it. This little bench bit. Oh, it's a nice little trail into the forest anyway, killed some time. Big old rocks. Okay, we've made it to the hotel. We've picked out the car as well, so we're going to get a car tour first. It's a Hyundai, I think it's Hyundai Tucson. It's quite chunky for what I need, but that's what they're giving me. On the inside, it's alright. Got a bit of Apple CarPlay in there, which is nice. Yeah, a lot bigger than what I needed, but I'm not paying any extra for it, so that's fine. Let's go from the outside. Oh. There we go. That's that. Hot, a tight little spot there already. Diesel. So at least it's got a sticker on there, so I can't get that wrong. But yeah, happy days. We are in the apartment. I'll give you a proper tour now. It's massive. It was like the cheapest place, but it's quite big. Got everything you need. It's like a proper studio, or not even a studio, it's like a one-bed flat. It's bigger than where I'm living, and like marginally more expensive, but not much. Anyway, here goes the tour. Coming in, we've got some cupboards. What's this, a washing machine? Happy days. Washer dryer. I'm going to do my washing here. My washing where I'm staying is $5 coin operated machine, so I'll definitely be doing that. Fridge freezer. Ice cubes. Milk. Nice. Look at all of this stuff. Is that an air fryer? I don't know what that is. I think it looks like an air fryer. All stuff up there. Little hob. Interesting sink, that's alright. Or is this food waste disposal? How very American. Microwave, I haven't got one of those either where I'm living. Washing up stuff. Dishwasher. Desk, not going to use that. Dining table. Living area. Nice TV. Shit out there. We've got a balcony, it's quite big. Oh, what's that? How does this work? Like that. I'm looking over a pool. I don't know what pool it is. I mean, technically, it's got a sea view. Look at this whole thing, come on. You see over there? Oh, that's not even the sea, that's the top of a building, jokes. Another hotel. mountains and stuff. Let's go back in. Oh. It's not even locked. There we go. And then, what's this? More storage, I assume. Yeah. And then the actual bedroom. Look at that. We've got some water there as well. Balcony, another TV, more storage and a mirror. No one wants to see that. Extra stuff. Safe. Very good. And then we've got aircon in here as well. The bathroom. Well, isn't that lovely? Another mirror. The shower's quite big. Look at that. Wow. I don't think you can moan at that for being the cheapest place you could find and all, so happy days. I think what I'm going to do now is head down to like the main bit, the esplanade of CAIRNS. Get something to eat, do a little bit of shopping, because I can store food and stuff. So get some bits like that, and then, yeah, just have a pretty chilled evening. I'll take you along, see what it's like down there, and if there's anything good, we'll find out. So just back from the esplanade, the main bit there. Did some shopping in Woolworths after, got some supplies, got some dinner, got some snacks, got some drinks. But yeah, just gonna chill here tonight. It's like nearly, I think it's like 5:30 or something, is it? What's the time? Oh, Jack's 4:30. So a pretty early one, but I'm gonna get up early doors tomorrow and drive to the rainforest, which is like, it's one point, it's like 3 hours away, so a bit of driving tomorrow. I'll probably keep that in the same episode because I don't think I've got much footage today. But yeah, so that'll be coming up next, but just gonna chill now, so I'll see you in a bit. So we're about to set off now for the morning. It's just gone 6. I've booked in a river cruise, like a real life jungle cruise, where you get to see a lot of the wildlife on the Daintree river. I've got to be there for 8:15 and it's like an hour and 40 drive, so I've got plenty of time. So yeah, gonna head there now, hopefully see some crocodiles on that, but yeah, you will be kept up to date the whole way. first stop, the Crocodile or River Cruise tour. There's a lovely drive there, got some footage of it, hopefully it's not too shaky. One-handed, luckily it is an automatic car, so you've got a free hand, but yeah. Oh, hopefully we see some cool stuff on this cruise, and I might have to use my phone to film on it instead of the GoPro, just so I can zoom in on some stuff. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
Just to give you a little bit of an idea where we are on the river, we're about 20 kilometres away. The big males are moving around at the moment looking for the females. Females will start nesting in about a month or two. The guys, these are the salties, they're the saltwater crocodiles. They're called a saltwater crocodile, but they don't require salt, it's only tolerated. The salties, they go.
Well, it took a while to get there. Literally on the last 5-10 minutes of the tour we saw that crocodile just about. It just had his little head poking up. So that was good, we saw one at least. Now we're crossing the whole river on the ferry, which is pulling in now. It kind of goes back and forth continuously all day. But yeah, going over there, there's the Discovery Centre for the whole rainforest over there. So that's like a tourist area with like walking trails, things like that. So going to go there. I'm going to go to a beach as well over there. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Just stopped off on the way to the beach for this little boardwalk in the rainforest. What does it say? I don't think it's very long. Oh, 45 minutes. Maybe we'll go just over the creek or something. See what we see. No, it's a proper walk, so no worries about getting lost. It's lovely and shaded anyway. 1.2 kilometres, it said. That can't be 45 minutes. More like 20, I'd imagine. Didn't get too much footage of the walk here, but yeah, it did take only like 20 minutes or so. But after that, didn't film much of the drive either. So after the next clip, I think it goes straight to the beach, which is Cape Tribulation. So yeah, enjoy that bit. Look at that. Well, this is Cape Tribulation. The only place in the world where you've got 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites right next to each other. You've got the rainforest behind. Oh, can you see it? And then out there is the Great Barrier Reef. Incredible beach, really, lovely. Quiet. Again, there was the sign back there you saw about the crocodiles, but the water's clear today, so I don't think there's any around. I'm not going to swim, but have a look at that. Not bad, very quiet. Yeah, rainforest absolutely surrounded it. I think these would come out on the GoPro very well, so I just took photos, but these are like baby sharks, just on the edge of the water there. I think they're blacktip reef sharks. And just from the water's edge there, I've got some photos. I don't know if they'll come out, but there was some baby blacktip reef sharks there. It's about 2 feet long, and then a big stingray as well, right on the water's edge. I'm just walking through these mangroves now, seeing what else there is, but yeah. A very cool place. Some mud skippers. Buried under the sand. Only little ones. Cape Tribulation was unreal. Lovely views and animals there. Now we're at the Daintree Discovery Centre. See what that's all about. It comes with an audio tool, so I've got that. It's on some nice pathway. The Daintree Discovery Centre. It wasn't that big in there. It was nice, it was a good little setup, but it could have been bigger, I think. No cassowaries in there, unfortunately, but maybe the next spot we're going to Mossman Gorge next, it's called. Similar sort of thing, I think, but maybe bigger because the trail online said it was quite big, like a few kilometres. Whereas this in total was 1 kilometre, so maybe more chance there. But it's meant to be quite cool there, just all the scenery around there as well. So yeah, we're about to drive there. That's about an hour away. on the way back to CAIRNS, so going in the right direction. And then after that, I think it's about an hour, just over an hour and a half maybe, back to CAIRNS from Mossman Gorge. So getting there, not doing too bad for time. I think it's like, what is it, 1:15. So yeah, plenty of time left in the day. We've made it to the gorge, Mossman Gorge. The drive wasn't bad at all, it took like 45 minutes I think, so less than Google anticipated. So yeah, let's see what it's all about. We had to get a little bus over here to the actual gorge bit, so just got off the bus and then walk into the actual gorge now. This is such a cool trail so far. This is what I was anticipating. From like the Daintree Discovery Centre was more like a bit rigid and that. This is more in amongst the actual jungle, which is cool, but still like safe and stuff, and well planned out route and maintained. But yeah, I definitely feel like much higher chance of seeing some cool wildlife here. Yeah, hopefully we do get round to that. I'll see what. Look at the size of that rock, it doesn't even fit on the camera. Unbelievable. Oh, we found a bush turkey. It's not quite a cassowary. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, there's a massive pig in there somewhere. He's looking right at us. Oh my goodness. Well, it's not a cassowary, but that was pretty unexpected. The tour guide on the crocodile sightseeing thing said one of the main things they eat, or one of the big things they eat, is feral pigs. I heard this thing like making a fuss in the bush. I was like, is that a cassowary? I could tell it wasn't, but I could only see it's like behind with, it was like black furry with tail, and I was like, what the hell is that? And then it turned around, I was like, it's a pig. It was big and he had piglets as well. I got a photo of the piglets, and maybe I'll put that in if I can find it, if it's any good. I can't remember, but yeah, that was an interesting one, unexpected. And that does conclude the circuit. Just gone past the sign for it, so we're at the end now. We didn't see the cassowary, did see the pigs, which was cool, and it was actually a lovely trail anyway, like just a really nice walk in the forest. So that was good. I think I'm probably just going to head back to CAIRNS now. It's an hour and 20 minutes, just saying on the maps. So yeah, just going to take a drive down there. Might treat myself to an ice cream or something. I've done a lot of stuff today. So yeah, now I'll probably leave the vlog there for today. Tomorrow, I've booked in for another tour because clearly I couldn't get enough of the reef, and I've got a morning snorkeling tour. So going out on a boat tomorrow morning to a reef that's not connected to any island or anything like that, so it should be quite different and good from what we saw before with more variety. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for that, but I definitely need a new episode because there's loads of footage there I think from today. So yeah, much more action-packed day today, and I'll see you tomorrow.